Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol CVNA. If you are subscribed to my channel, you know I have been covering CVNA for some time and we were talking about $30. Actually, it went very close to $30. Still, the chart is looking good, always a good candidate for a nice long short squeeze. So that's why I'm making this particular video so that I can point out some important areas where the price can come and you expect a bounce, maybe a potential entry for some profit. Okay, so if you look at the chart last 5 day, actually it is up 21%, last 1 month 100%, last 6 months 446%. So that stock is actually going higher, and this is a stock which has a very high short interest, almost like 60% plus. So when the stock will go higher, at one point the shorts they have to cover, you can see a big squeeze. Anyway, even if you had make some money, because I'm covering this stock I think since $6-7, you are already in big profit. Congratulations. Anyway, if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to get day trading alert for a stock option, even for swing trade, use the link patreon.com/the stock analyst. You can sign up to our community where we give alert every day. You can see last Friday we had a big winners, which was BXRX, almost 100%. We also have some option channel like SPX 78%, and we have some top end. We have many different channels. Anyway, so let's talk about CVNA. First of all, I want to show you the chart. It's looking really nice. I will come back to the chart, few other things before I talk about other things. So first of all, the short interest, the most important thing is 62%. The short interest for last 3 months actually almost the same, right? It is not changing. The shorts, they are just holding to their position. The short interest 62% for a long time. If you look at last 1 month, the short interest actually going higher. It went up by 72%. If I go down, the utilization is 83%. Still there is shares available to short. Okay, so the shorts they haven't covered yet. That's the big thing. Now if you look at the volume, you can see that the volume at one point got some volume around 150 million. After that the volume is down. It is not going over 50 million, it is below 50 million. But if it needs big volume like that, this particular day you can see the big volume over 150, and you can see the big jump in price. So if it gets volume, it can run a lot. Okay, in terms of the option side, you can see that the implied volatility is 120%, right? So it is very volatile. It moves a lot, and even for option you can make some quick money. If you look at call versus put option volume, call is 29,000 versus 13,000. So people are bullish on this particular one. Even on the open interest side, 34 versus 22. So people are really bullish. Let's go back to the chart now. Okay, so first of all, if you look at the daily chart, you can see that the green cloud, my EMA cloud, 913 EMA cloud, 921, it is really holding the EMA cloud. It is going over the cloud, coming back and holding, let's see, holding the line here, right? Holding the line, then again it is pushing, going over the cloud, coming back and holding the cloud. So on a daily, as long it is holding the cloud, I'm really happy. Some intense, sometime it holds at the upper side of the cloud, sometime it comes and bounce from the bottom side. But on a daily chart, it is looking really nice. If you look at the MACD at the very bottom here, you can see that the buying pressure might have gone down. It is moving sideways. We have to see we will have more buyer or more seller, because if we see more buyer on the daily chart, you expect it will go towards this area 28, 29, 30 area, and it might see some resistance. But if it is really strong, then it can go even higher, especially looking over $30. Maybe some shorts might be covering. In that case, maybe you can see a big squeeze towards $40. On the other hand, if we see more sellers stepping in, then after 30, maybe you can see some bounce. It can come back all the way to 20.7, this area where it has some support. So both can happen. You should keep an eye. And for day trading, normally we see in the morning what is happening, then we decide only for that particular day your entry and exit. But on a bigger perspective for swing trading, keep those levels to your attention. Okay, now if I just zoom out, I want to show you that after this 30 area, it has some room, right? Actually towards 32, 36, 42, who knows, even 55, because it went to 55 some time, right? Because you can see the chart. Now instead of a 1 day, if I go to an hourly chart, you can see that it is moving between 20 and $29. Even for a swing trade perspective, it is almost like 40-50% profit zone. Now what you can see that for last few days it is coming down, it is making lower high, it is coming down. So that is why I'm not saying it might go to the moon next day. You keep an eye on few importance level. One level could be this particular area where it bounced, so 24.7. The next area is around 24, and then maybe I'll just keep an eye around 20.7. Not saying it will go to the moon the very next day. Keep an eye, it can go either way. If it goes over 30, it can run. If it comes down to 20.7, you might see some kind of bounce. But as long, if you look at the trend, it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, right? Let me show you. Where is the tool? Like, this is a highlighter tool. Okay, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, then again goes up. Why not? Okay, so anyway, let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna delete this, and if you've made some money with Cvna, let me know. Even if you're planning to enter, let me know in the comment section. And thanks again for watching this particular video. Again, if you want to join our community, just use the link, go there, sign up, and let's trade together and make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.